Hello and welcome back to Dev Portal. Today we are going to dive into one of the fundamental data types in Java, byte. We will explore what a byte is, how it works, and why it's ranged from -128 to +127. Let's get started. In Java, the byte data type is an 8-bit signed integer, but what does it actually means? Let's break it down. When we say 8-bit, we means that the variable uses 8 bit of memory. Each bit can be either 0 or 1. So with 8 bits we have total 256 possible combinations. Java uses the 2's complement method to represent signed integers. This means one of the bit is used to represent the sign of the number, whether it is positive or negative. Rightmost bit will be the least significant bit and leftmost bit will be the most significant bit. If it is 1, it represents negative value. If it is 0, it represents positive value. For positive number and 0, the binary representation is straightforward. Here are the few examples. First is the 0 representation in binary format, second is 1 representation, and last one is the 127 representation in binary format. Negative numbers uses a method called 2's complement. To find the 2's complement of a number, we invert all the bits and then add 1. Let's look at an example. Start with 1 positive number, then we need to change all the zeros into 1 and all the 1 into zeros, and then finally we need to add 1 in the least significant bit. If any carry forward is there, that also we need to add. So this is the final representation of -1 in binary format. Now let's see why the range is from -128 to +127. It is because how the 8 bits are divided. With 8 bits we have possible 256 combinations. In 2's complement, we split these combinations between negative and positive numbers. We have 128 negative numbers from -128 to -1 and 128 non-negative numbers from 0 to 127. So to summarize, the byte data type in Java is an 8-bit signed integer. It has a range from -128 to +127. This range is determined by the 2's complement representation, which represent the 256 possible values between negative and positive numbers. I hope this explanation made it clear and easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Thank you for watching.